please become the member of this group. What is the name of that group? English and IT Practicing School. So my request, you will be member and you will get there all information. Okay. And what should be our today's topic, main topic? Today we will describe right form of verbs and how to describe the pictures. Okay, so hope you are ready, and I want to give you some examples and you will write the correct answer in your khata. Then I will give you the correct answer, you will match with it. Okay, and finally we will describe a picture. So I think all of you are ready. You have 15 questions and it will take 10 minutes. Okay, 10 minutes is good enough. So can you see me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just question number 1, write the correct answer. Okay, you will get only 10 minutes. It is 6:57. We will close it at 7:07. From me, any problem to see? Someone respond please. So one by one I'm giving you the answer and you will get the correct answer. Just check with your answer. Check the answer with your correct answer. Okay, can you see?
Yes, sir.
Okay, nice.
Yes.
Okay, so number 1, we went to London when we were. Is it okay?
Okay.
At the end I will
Yes, sir.
yeah, I will get response from you at the very end. And number 2, got. If you have any question or query and if you can't understand why the result is, why the answer is, make note and please ask me later. Okay, That's all. Everybody, please open your microphone. Number one, do you
Yes.
have
Yes,
do you,
sir.
do you have any question? Number one.
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, good. Number two.
No, sir. No.
No, good. Number three.
No.
No. Okay. Number four.
No, sir.
Okay, good.
No, sir.
Okay, number five.
Yeah, sir. I have a
There
question
is no
number
any
five.
question.
Yeah.
If we get list, then we should use should,
Yes, right.
No,
and
sir.
that's
It's
my
okay.
mistake.
Here,
Yeah.
list is the stupid word.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, thank
List.
you.
We have to use should.
Yeah, thank you. So, list, and after should, we everybody know that there will be always a present form and a list. Yes. So 5, 6, 7. I think you have got your answer. Number 8.
Yes.
Do you have any question?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
No.
I have no any question, sir.
8. No question. Good. 9.
No. That is nothing.
Yeah. So I
No,
think
sir.
you have got the point with a view to
8 and 9, both
yeah.
of the rules.
These
Same rules,
8,
sir.
8,
8 and
9.
9, same
Yeah.
rules, sir.
Muniba sir,
Yeah. Yeah.
Muniba
8,
sir,
9, 10.
9 meeting. Why 2 meeting?
9.
Please repeat the 9, number
Number
9.
9. I am looking for
I am looking
looking
forward
forward
to
to
meeting the
meeting.
princess.
Yeah. Please remember it with a view to
Yeah,
looking forward to used to. These
yeah.
are very
With the
special
view to.
phrase. After that, you will always use
Yes, sir.
ing with the verb. Here, confessed to also. There are 4
So,
phrase.
so number 11, I written that he had confessed. Is it right?
He had
I think it's
confessed.
an experiment.
Yeah, it is past simple, or it is present perfect, or past perfect. All are correct.
Yeah, I write it past perfect.
Yeah, it's okay. So your answer is correct. Oh, and then number 12. Do you have any question?
Yes, sir. I have a question, sir.
Yeah, please. And here you see
In this,
there is a verb. This is also another
first.
verb.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
and after this you are to use verb plus ing because of this previous verb. Okay.
Sir, can I use infinitive verb?
Admitted to, no. This is exceptional rule always.
Exceptional rule.
Yeah.
We do not use infinitive.
No, you should not use infinitive.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay.
Admitted, after admitted, you always
Yes. Yeah. Verb plus ing.
Yeah, Muniba sir,
Yes, please.
Muniba sir, how can we recognize that type of sentence special rule?
Yeah, these are the
So that
phrases.
he
You
admitted doing
please, yes,
to
you
do that
please.
right. If we say
There are some phrases. Okay. There are some phrases
okay, sir. Okay.
and the word
admitted,
collocations that goes only with those words. Okay. And
Okay, sir.
we will try to follow and not to use more infinitives. Okay. And 12,
Okay.
13 and 14 like
insert
this. All the
radical.
yeah. 12, 13 and 14 from the same group. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
13, 14.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Lovely. Yes.
And also a very last one. This is a very special sentence. This is
Sir,
a
13 also.
fif-
Sir,
yeah, 13, 14, 15.
sir, 13 also.
Yeah,
We
13.
should not use, sir, 13 also infinitive.
Yeah, we should not use infinitive. We should use this phrase enjoyed
Present
riding.
participle.
Yeah, verb is
Loving
present
you
participle. Yes. Yeah,
despite
yes.
your stupidity.
So, and very
Thank you,
last
sir.
one. This is a very common phrase and a sentence for English speaking people. Generally, in our country, what's your name? Uh, we say, will you say your name with a strong verb? But English people, they commonly use it. Could you mind? Would you mind opening the door for me? This is very soft. They commonly use softly, and you will get this kind of sentence even in listening and also in grammar and vocabulary. Okay.
Yes, yes.
A couple.
It's clear
Yeah.
to us.
Yes.
Yeah. So please think it for 30 seconds and make some important words, and then you are to describe this picture.
In this a smiling face.
Write the keywords first, then you will describe it for 1 minute. Okay.
Uh, depressed.
Hello, sir. It's the time for my yes,
Okay,
yeah.
sir, I want to describe.
Okay. So
Sleep, sir.
Well,
we can. Yeah, it's okay. Okay,
well,
please.
in picture we see a person is in deep thought. Maybe he is unhappy and lonely and depressed. In the second picture, we see a picture of a happy family, probably a couple with a baby, and they have a smiling face. If this picture, we also be happy. We also happy. We also become happy. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you. Next.
Sir, is this a comparison both with the both pictures?
You can do.
Okay, in the first picture shows us a very young guy is taking medicine. Maybe it's a symbol of loneliness. And the second picture, we can see that family with a kid and their smiling faces. It's maybe a great example of bondings, family bondings, and absolutely it's a $1 million smile. And maybe this picture is showing us what happiness is. Thank you.
Thank you. Next.
Sir,
Yeah.
in the first picture, I couldn't noticed. Sorry for that.
Yeah, it's okay.
And in this picture, second picture,
Yeah.
they likely to be a family.
Yeah.
There are three members in their family, and they look like very a smiling face, and they it seems to be they are a happy family. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you. Next.
Thank you, everybody. This is Khalid Hoshan. I'd like to discuss about two picture. I mean, I would like to compare two picture. First, I would like to say something about one picture. One picture. I mean, first picture. First picture shows only one man. He is in depression, maybe or may not. I think uh, he's with a glass of water. He may take medicine, maybe. And second picture is a, a picture, family picture. We can see in this picture with a couple with a kid. The kid is very beautiful, and all member of this picture are very beautiful to look at, and they are cheerful, and this picture is very beautiful. uh, the family is happy, and it's a very nice family. It's a small family and happy family. That's all. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Next. Okay.
Stop.
So we have got, and Prakash sir, do you want to say something?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, please. Could you see the
Thanks
picture?
for giving me an opportunity. Yeah, I have missed first picture,
Okay,
but
please you
I want
describe
to
the
say
second one.
something about second picture.
Yeah.
Yeah, there is a baby boy and his parents. In the picture, we can see there is a baby boy and his parents. The man is holding his kid in his arm, and they are all are smiling face, and they are a happy family. Okay.
Okay, that's all.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. So today we are at the end of this session, and before that I have a review of your picture description, and I just want to get a notice. I want to give a special thanks for participating with me, Kohinoor madam and Nishat madam and also Khalid sir. They have described the pictures very nicely and uh, up to the time, and others you should extend your speech up to 1 minute. So this is very important for you, and you tried your level best. Two special suggestion for you, Regal sir and Prakash sir. Just it's my suggestion. Please try to just follow it and try to develop. Try to observe your development. Yesterday I already told
Yeah.
that please when you can't find your words, please stop talking, but don't make sound like this. That will make you inconfident. Okay, Regal sir, your vocabulary is nice, and when you don't get your words, please wait for you give a pause for 5 seconds. It's okay, no problem. Uh, but please don't make sound side sounds like this. Oh, like this. Okay, it's my request to you. I think others, those who have already tried it, and they have done a great improvement. And in this picture, today is the very first day of. Today is the second day of this picture describing. Yes, you have described nicely, and here is a platform, and we listen from others, and we share our ideas, and your speaking skill is getting developed, and it's very nice to listen, and hope to see you next session day on our according to the routine. Please join there,